is my go-to eye cream. Now, the next eye cream that I religiously use at night under my eyes is this Ultra Luminous Age Define Multi-Effect Eye Cream. And this eye cream, guys, I know this eye cream is not a popular eye cream out there. If you go out there in the market to find it, you're not going to find it, because I personally curated this eye cream using some amazing ingredients for me personally, and then I'm sharing it with you. Now, this eye cream, guys, have parsley, and parsley is rich in vitamin K. If you're out there and you're looking for a good night cream to use, you're going to look for like vitamin K. Okay, look for these vitamins in your eye cream. That's going to help to transform your under eyes. So I have parsley in this, I have aloe vera in this, and let me try to find the box for this eye cream that I am using. And so as usual, guys, no glasses, so I think you can try to read for yourself. This is the back of it. Anyway, guys, I'll tell you some of the ingredients that we have in this eye cream. So we do have aloe vera in this, we have chamomile in this, we have the parsley, which I just mentioned, we have castor oil in this, we also have some what was the name of that again? Niacinamide in this, guy. So we have all these jam-packed ingredients in this little jar right here that are known to clear under eye circle. We also have some citric acid in this, which is known as lactic acid. We also have some lactic acid in this. Now, all of these ingredients combined make up this eye cream right here. And let me just read a little bit about this eye cream for you guys, because I use this eye cream under my eyes and I just go dabba 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 dabba, just like I did with the caffeine eye cream. So here we have the eye cream, and this is our ultra luminous effect multi-effect eye cream. Now, this eye cream is loaded with vital ingredients that is good for your under eyes, and I have been seeing great results using this eye cream. As a matter of fact, guys, I have been using this eye cream way over a year before we launched this eye cream on alexmaxey.com. And the reason why I was using it, because I want to see how it works on my under eyes before I share it with you all. And let me pull it up, guys. Let me just tell you a little bit about this eye cream really quick, and how it helps the skin. First of all, it contains vitamin K. Vitamin K reduces dark under eye circles and wrinkles under the eyes. It also contains vitamin A, and vitamin A reduces wrinkles and fine lines and clear dark circles and protect the skin. It also balances the sebum on the skin. It have antioxidant that protect the skin. It also have vitamin C. And take a look at this, guys, this eye cream right here. Take a look at all the many benefits that this eye cream do for your under eyes. So that is one of the reasons why, guys, I love this eye cream. The many benefits that I am currently seeing under my eyes. I'm not just saying, oh, you know, these are the ingredients. I am using it under my eyes, and these are the benefits that I'm getting from this eye cream. It deep up, smooth, brighten, and improve elasticity under the eyes. It dehydrates to restore and smooth the skin. Not deep, but deep hydration. It encourages circulation under the eyes. And guess what, guys? Help to reduce puffiness and the intensity of dark under eyes circles. So there you go, guys.